Hello my lovelies, today I'm going to make something really quick for you, but something that's incredibly yummy. I'm going to make some frozen peach bellinis. I'm going to make a non-alcoholic version, and you at home can make the alcoholic version because, well, I can't yet. So enjoy yours while I enjoy my alcohol-free version, and let's get right to it. Whether it's Friday night or you just really need a drink, this is basically one of the easiest cocktails you can possibly prepare. Now, the only thing it does require is you to pre-freeze some frozen peaches. So essentially, get yourself some fresh peaches, freeze them nicely for at least 4 hours, and then you can make yourself your cocktail. So you could just do that in the morning before you leave, and when you come back home from work, that's the time when you can have your cocktail. Now, if you haven't got that done and you forgot it, just throw in some ice cubes. That will do basically the same trick. I'm gonna throw that right in here, and essentially also my sugar, and I'm going to, you can estimate how much sugar you need. If they're really sweet peaches, you might not need any sugar because you don't want it to be too sweet. We're going to be adding some grenadine as well, so making it too sweet is not going to exactly taste right. So I'm going to start with a small amount and then see how I go. Mine weren't very ripe, so let's see how that tastes, and we're just going to pop that on speed 9 until it's really nice and smooth. This has got to be like the fastest video I've ever done. It might actually be the record. So we're already finished. This is what it needs to look like. It's really tasty. If you like yours a bit smoother, you just keep going on speed 9 until it's very nice and smooth. I just scrape it down with a spatula, and then I add an entire bottle of sparkling wine. Now this one is alcohol-free sparkling wine because, well, can't really have it yet, can I? But you guys at home, please have it with normal sparkling wine if you really want to enjoy it. But if you are making this for the kids, for example, this is a great way to make it alcohol-free, completely alcohol-free, or even if you are having a baby shower, or if you are pregnant as well like me, but you just really need to enjoy a drink. So this is the way to do it, guys. And then I've just added all of that in. I'm just going to incorporate this very quickly, and then it's frozen peach Bellini time. Virgin peach Bellini time, I'd say. So you literally just pop that into glasses. It looks beautiful because it's basically got some of that peach skin, and it's really lovely. I quite like it like that, and because it's frozen, you can tell it's got quite a nice texture to it. All I do now to top this off is essentially add a tiny bit of grenadine. You can do this with a teaspoon so that it goes really to the bottom. This is where my cocktail mixing skills come in. Not that I've ever been a cocktail mixer, but try that. Just pop some on. I'm just going to decorate that with a couple sprigs of fresh mint like that, because it needs to look really pretty. A little bit like this, might be a bit too much actually. Just make sure you have something because it just looks so much cooler. And you could also throw in an entire frozen peach as well if you liked, and that is your frozen peach Bellini cocktail done already. I mean, that was mega simple, wasn't it? This is literally it. It takes you less than a minute to make, and it's very dangerous, guys. So enjoy that one. I'm going to enjoy mine now. Alcohol-free, but totally tastes like it does actually contain alcohol, which is amazing. So cheers to you guys. Make sure to subscribe to my videos and my channel for more amazing recipes, and sometimes also speedy ones like this, and I'll enjoy this, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.